Today in this Camtasia tutorial I will show you how to speed up a part of a video. So in order to do that, let's find the part which I would like to speed. I want to zoom in and find the specific frame where I want to do this cut. So let's see, I want to do it right here where the camera entered the trees, and after that I want to do another cut where the camera get out of the tree, and let's do another cut, and now let's zoom all the way to the maximum. Now that we found our specific part where we want to speed up a video, let's click once on the video to select it, now right click on it, and now we can press on add clip speed. Let's hold the click at the margin. We can see that the original duration is 1 second and 1 millisecond. Let's drag it all the way to the maximum, maybe to 0.2 I think will be enough. And now let's drag the other part here and let's see how it behaves. Alright, now it moves a lot smoother. So this was the tutorial how to speed up a specific part of a video inside Camtasia Studio. I hope this tutorial helped you out and I hope you have a great day.